Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So it's very rare that I put together an extra video on Saturday, but I was trying to get ahead and maybe do a video on Sunday since I put my ad preview out early. If you haven't seen that, go check that video out. But I started noticing there was this deal, and it's a really, really hot deal, but it's only going to work for the 25th as I'm making this video. I've got some other stuff, so don't just sign off if you're watching this on Sunday. I do have another scenario for you that you could definitely go do. However, I wanted to make sure that if you are wanting to do this deal in the self-care event, then you definitely want to check out this video. So this is just the self-care event. I've got two different scenarios for you. One that is going to be a 25th Saturday only deal, and the other one you can do through the 28th. So you definitely want to watch this. If you like Kroger and you want to see all my videos, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And let's jump into this because I'm excited, so I hope you are too. Like I said, we're going to start out with these self-care event. It's spend 25, save 10 instantly. I know we've had some conversations about this. A couple of you have said, well, don't you have to spend 25 after coupons? You do not have to do that, including with digital coupons. I actually have a video that I did last week. You can go check that video out. You can go do that deal if you want to go do that deal, where I show you on the receipt that I had mainly digital coupons. They all came off. I only paid $13 total, and that was with another deal included, a Progresso soup deal. So it was only like $2.47 or something for the particular spend 25, save 10. And I had no problems getting that $10 off. So definitely go check out that video if you don't believe me, because it is possible. But let me show you this new scenario. Okay, so thank you so much to Gwen. Gwen, you are the one that has made me put out this video. She brought the deal to me. She said my favorite personal care scenario yesterday was 1 Crest 3D white charcoal, 1 Schick disposable, 3 Oral-B. That is a new rebate from Ibotta that we got. So I have not included that yet. We just got that, I think, Friday afternoon, something like that. She grabbed 1 of the Crest Densify toothpaste. And I'm actually going to show the whole scenario on the next slide, but everything, paid $6.05 out of pocket and then got $6 back from Ibotta. I did change the scenario just a little bit because the Schick disposable razor was on closeout for $5.10, but I did include on my scenario the one with $6.99. But if you happen to have the $5.10 in your Kroger, you can do this deal exactly, and it'll be 5 cents total for everything. That's completely amazing. All right, so one thing she did note is to be on the safe side, she scanned the 3D white before the Densify toothpaste because the coupons can attach to the wrong product. So she made sure to scan the 3D white first to make sure that coupon attached to the product it was supposed to, and then the Densify to make sure that they didn't accidentally mess things up. And she also said that the tip from the reader about the Pretty Savvy bath puffs, it's $1 bath puffs, is a great little filler item if you're wanting to put together other scenarios, but that is very true. But let me show you this with all the math done for you. Okay, so like I said, 1 of the Crest 3D white charcoal toothpaste that's on sale for $4.99. It has to be the $4.99 one, not the $3.99 one. There is a 3-off-1 digital coupon, but it's only attaching to the $4.99 one. So just make sure you're very careful about that. Grab 3 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. They're the Vivid Whitening toothbrushes. They're on sale for $2.99 right now. They're regularly priced $3.79. Grab 3 of those. 1 of the Skintimate razors. Like I said, her scenario included the $5.10 closeout razor. I definitely could go do that deal because my store is carrying them, but I've had plenty of you tell me that your store does not have the $5.10, so I just went ahead and included it with the $6.99 razor. If you already used your digital coupon, go to coupons.com and print the 4-off-1 coupon. I would do that anyway. There's a good chance that coupon will be gone after tomorrow or after tonight. Hopefully we'll get some brand new coupons on Sunday. We always do, but that one possibly could be gone. And then the Crest Densify toothpaste that is on sale for $6.99, regularly priced $7.99. That's total of $27.94, okay? Completely crazy. $10 comes off instantly. Now, the reason why this is a run deal is both Crest toothpaste are expiring on the 25th, which is today, Saturday. So they could be gone now. you can actually check back. Sorry, my brain got stuck there. You can check back on the Kroger app on Sunday morning and see if you've got any new coupons, because sometimes that happens. And if you've already used these coupons, maybe you'll get new ones tomorrow. But there's these 2 3-off-1 Crest digital coupons. Make sure they're both loaded. There's also, like I said, the Skintimate 4-off-1 coupon. You can go to coupons.com and print it. You can just purchase it and submit to the coupons.com app. If you've already used all of that, there's also the Shopminium or however you say it app. Coupons. I just downloaded that yesterday and they had one on there as well. So 4-off-1 coupon, out of pocket pay $7.94, or I think she paid $6.05 with the Skintimate razor. Submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1, limit of 3 times for the toothbrushes. That is going to give you $6 back. So if you don't have the sale one, it's $1.94 total, or 32 cents each. 6 products for less than $2. Completely crazy. Really, really awesome deal. Highly recommend you go do this deal. Thank you so much, Gwen, for posting it, but this was definitely a run deal and I didn't want anyone to miss out on Saturday. All right, another really great deal. I was actually putting this together to put out on Sunday morning, but I figured since I'm already in the beauty care event, you might as well know about this one too. So Roberta brought this amazing deal here for the OGX shampoo and conditioners. Okay, so if you like this product, this is another really great deal you want to go grab. So left me a comment about there being $2 off 2 coupons, as well as there is a $10 rebate from their website. I had to look it up, but I did find it. And this is the deal I'm going to show you. She also explained how there's a second deal that she did with 2 Edge Skintimate shave gels, dollar coupons, and so forth. These are ones I've already kind of put together for you. You can go check out that video that I put together for you, but let me show you this one deal that she brought me that I think is awesome. Okay, so the deal is grab 4 of the OGX shampoo and conditioners. They're regularly priced $6.99, but they are on sale for $6.49. The total is $27.69 for the regular price, but it's actually going to be on sale for $25.96. $10 comes off instantly. Make sure you load the 2-off-2 digital coupon. There's also 2-off-2 printable coupons from coupons.com, so print that coupon. I will say that I believe there is one on coupons.com app. However, it does exclude Kroger, I believe. So definitely double check me there, but I think it excludes Kroger if I remember looking at that correctly. Out of pocket, $11.96. Submit to this 10 back on 3 rebate. It's on their website. I will link it in the description box below for you. So you're going to submit your receipt to that. You'll get $10 back. I'm not real sure how that works. I just didn't dive too deep into it. I was wanting to get this video out to you guys for the first deal. Final cost ends up being $1.96 total, or just 49 cents each. Wow, Roberta, this is an amazing deal. These are normally $7 shampoos and conditioners. You're getting them for less than 50 cents. I am so excited about this deal. I've never used this product, so let me know in the comments what you think about it, but I've never used this. Hopefully, it's a really great product. All right, I just wanted to leave you with just a couple more little comments here from some of you all. I think is it Charlene said, I purchased 3 bags of Epsom salts for $5.99. The razors, her is said to $5.10. They were actually $4.74. So that's amazing. Shaving cream was $3.29. Had the digital coupon for 4 off the razors and $1 off the shaving cream, and got the $10 off. So that may be a scenario that you're interested in. I thought about making another slide for it, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory if you wanted to figure out the deal yourself and do that particular beauty deal. I had another comment from Brittany, new subscriber. So I'm welcome, Brittany. Brittany Rose Watson. I love it. I messed up on my haul and bought 1 extra item since my razors were full price. Didn't need the shaving cream. Still decent deal at $4.47. That's the deal I sent to her, but her razors were full price. But I met my bonus on Ibotta and got an extra $5, so it was actually free. So that's awesome. Thank you so much, Brittany, for leaving that comment. And then I have one other comment here from Ashley. Had a question. How many of the spin deals can you do in one transaction? Thank you so much for these videos. So Ashley, basically what should work is every time you hit $25, $10 should come off. So if you are actually wanting to put a couple of different scenarios together, you definitely can do that. The reason why some of us split them up is because we're submitting to different rebate apps or something like that. But yeah, if you wanted to say do both deals that you just saw, the both scenarios that I just posted, you can do them. You do not have to do them in separate transactions. You could even, if some of them are like $26, $27, you could possibly put them together and hit 50 and, take something off from one of the scenarios because you don't need it to hit the 50 because you had something extra from the other one, if that makes sense. Hopefully I'm not confusing anybody. But anyway, but yeah, you can do multiple in one transaction. $10 should come off every time you hit $50. So awesome. Yeah, so if you have any other scenarios for me that you come up with, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to do another video on this. We've had so many great deals. I actually used my charcoal toothpaste coupon already, but I haven't used the Densify. So I'm trying to figure out how I can kind of put a couple of these together and make something different for me, because I really like I obviously love the toothbrush deal with Oral-B, but I like that toothpaste too. And I'm just thinking, how can I make this work and make a really awesome deal? So again, let me know in the comments any deals that you do. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. If you like seeing these surprise videos in the middle of the day on Saturday, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.